Hi everyone, how are you all? It's actually a great feeling when we cross 100k. So we have 400k plus subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support, all your love. And I think I keep saying this in most of my comments as well. And I really mean it. Thank you so much to each one of you for giving me the support and love throughout, from the very beginning till today. To the new subscribers, thank you so much for joining this family. It really means a lot. Keep supporting so that I can try more varieties, more vlogs, more recipes. It's said that man proposes and God disposes, and everything happens for good. And just being positive with that. I actually had a plan for 400k subscribers just when we crossed 300k subscribers. It's something related to travel. Right now, because of the situation, it will definitely not work out, I know. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This video was actually taken a few days back, and I had completed the editing, everything, and I had to re-edit to put the small clip in that. So keep watching. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.
I have never been to Mama Buns Cafe or Papa Roti, which is famous for their coffee buns, nor have I ever eaten from elsewhere. I got this recipe from my sister-in-law, Nesri, and as she makes this quite often and suggested me to try it out. Hence sharing with you all, this is really tasty and a must try. Along with that, showing how to make perfect burger buns and preparing burgers from the leftover minced chicken mix that I had used for kebabs. Hope you would like it. Keep watching. Beginning with coffee buns, you can knead manually and using my stand mixer, which saves a lot of time and effort. You need 1 1/3 cup all-purpose flour, then goes 3 tablespoons sugar, quarter teaspoon salt. Give a mix. Add half cup milk, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, start kneading at low speed first, then slowly increase the speed. While kneading, I added 2 more tablespoons of milk. It depends on how well the flour is getting well together. You may add 1 tablespoon or 2. Scraping the sides a bit and then kneading again on medium speed. After 5 minutes of kneading, or when it has formed a dough, add 1.5 tablespoon butter, take out the dough and roll as shown. You need to get a soft dough. You don't have to add any oil as there's enough butter in it. Cover and let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour of resting, sprinkle some flour on the surface and place the dough. You don't have to knead. Spread the dough a little and cut into size you need. For an average size, cut into 6 equal size. Take each piece and roll this way. Do all the same way. Cover and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of resting, spread each ball and place a small piece of butter block in the center. This butter is 1 to 1.5 teaspoon each. Cover as shown. Roll and you need to get this. Do all the same way and place it on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Again, you need to leave it for resting for 1 hour. At the last 15 minutes, prepare the coffee mix you need to top the bun with. Mix 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder with 1 teaspoon hot water. Mix and keep aside. Into a bowl, add 2 tablespoons or 1/8 cup of soft butter. Whisk for a minute. Add 3 tablespoons sugar and whisk again for a minute or till well blended. Whisk 1 egg and add to the butter. Whisk well. Sift 3 tablespoons flour. Now fold well. It should be soft and creamy. Add coffee and fold again. Preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Add the coffee buttercream topping to a piping bag. Cut the tip and pipe a layer of coffee topping in a coil-like pattern until the top half is covered. Bake for 15 minutes. And that's ready. That's the warm coffee bun ready to be had with a cup of coffee. Rehan was at the coaching camp. I actually prepared this in small quantity and it wasn't enough, hence made the same the next day. Moving on to burger bun. Into a mixing bowl, add 1 cup lukewarm water, add half cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon yeast. Mix. Then goes 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix well and leave it for 5 minutes. Now you need to get something like this. Add 1 egg, 3 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon salt. Whisk well. To this add 3 cups flour, knead on low speed. Keep kneading till you get a smooth dough. The dough is ready. Roll and tuck in and make a smooth dough. Spread some oil over the dough and leave it to rest till double in size or 1.5 hours. Again tuck in by deflating the air. Cut into 8 equal size. Then roll each ball and shape to a little flat ball rather than a round shape. Place on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Cover with plastic. Don't wrap it tight. It needs space to rise. Leave it to rest for 30 minutes. Along with burger, preparing potato wedges. So taking 2 large potatoes. The skin is usually not peeled, so if the potato is not organic, wash it really well. Cut into wedges. Chop a handful of coriander leaves. Into a mixing bowl, add some olive oil, chopped coriander leaves. You may use a teaspoon of garlic powder or grate 2 cloves of garlic. Salt, red chili flakes, a pinch of oregano, half teaspoon dried basil leaves, crushed black pepper. Mix very well and add the potato wedges. Mix all together. Let's keep aside for some time. Mix 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of milk. Brush over the bun very gently without deflating the bun. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on each. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Bake the wedges at 190 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. The buns have come out perfect. Few of you had asked me what I add in my tea. I use brown sugar that I bought recently from Lulu. Now for frying the burger, this is the leftover minced chicken that I had kept in the freezer. Quickly, let me show you the ingredients for the mix. Into the minced chicken, add chopped parsley, chopped coriander, and few chopped mint leaves. chopped ginger and garlic, crushed black pepper, paprika, red chili flakes, cumin powder, coriander powder, olive oil and salt. Mix well. Cover and freeze it. You can use the same for kebabs. Do check the link in the description box for that video. From the leftover mix, I got 5 burgers and it depends on the size you prefer. If you need a more flat one, you may get 6 or 7 burgers. Place a plastic wrap on a lid and shape the burgers. Fry on low flame. Turn over to the other side every 3 to 4 minutes. Let it cook evenly. You can see the bun has come out perfect. Heat some oil and a slice of butter. Saute 1 onion that's sliced. Some red chili flakes. This is to add while assembling the burger. I'm moving that aside. Placing the sliced bun, keep for 2 minutes. Add a dollop of any sauce. Here I use French dressing. Add your favorites. I added iceberg lettuce, then the sauteed onion. You may caramelize the onion as well. Place burger. Add a slice of cheese. One slice of tomato. Again some sauce. And cover it. And the dinner is ready. So that's for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed watching it. If so, do give a thumbs up and pass your valuable comments. Do try these recipes and send me your pictures on Instagram or email. Would love to see them. Lastly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.